Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you are here. In today's video, I want to show you a super simple and easy way to turn on flash notifications on your iPhone. You know those moments when you miss an important call or message because you didn't hear your phone? Well, turning on flash notifications can help you with it. It's a neat trick and I will walk you through it step by step. So grab your iPhone and let's get started. First, open the settings on your phone and look for the accessibility options. Click on that, then scroll down and select audio and visual. At the end of this section, you will see the option for LED flash for alerts. Open that and turn on all the options. Now your notifications will flash whenever you receive an alert. And there you have it. Now you know how to turn on flash notifications on your iPhone. It's a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in making sure you never miss an important alert. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.